everyone, welcome back to APPSGADGET. Today, we're unboxing a phone that's been making noise for its bold style and creator-focused features. This is the Nubia Music Pro, a smartphone built for people who live and breathe music and creativity. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the Nubia Music Pro itself wrapped in protective film. Even before powering it on, the design already stands out. Inspired by vintage vinyl turntables, this phone looks unique and fresh. Depending on the variant, you get eye-catching colors like pop art and melody wave. Underneath the phone are the essentials: a charging brick, USB-C cable, SIM ejector, and paperwork. Now, let's take a closer look. On the back is the AI melody breathing light that pulses in sync with your music, giving the device a dynamic vibe. You also get Live Island 2.0, Nubia's interactive notification system that makes it easy to manage apps and quick actions. It's fun, lively, and very different from the usual plain designs we see today. On the front, the Nubia Music Pro features a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling, gaming, and video playback all look fluid and sharp. For creators, the screen is a big advantage since it gives vibrant visuals when editing photos or short videos. Performance is built to keep up with daily multitasking. With fast processing and ample storage, you don't need to worry about lag or running out of space. Whether you're shooting content, editing reels, or streaming live, the Nubia Music Pro is designed to move seamlessly with your creativity. The battery is built to last from morning to night, keeping up with long days of use. Cameras are supported by AI power tools like Magic Eraser, which removes unwanted objects, and Sky Edits, which lets you change the background mood instantly. These built-in features make content creation easier, allowing you to polish photos and videos in seconds without relying on extra apps. But the real highlight of the Nubia Music Pro is its audio. It delivers a massive 600% volume boost, reaching up to 95 decibels, which is louder than most smartphones on the market. It also has an immersive 2.1 channel system, dual stereo speakers, and head-track spatial sound that adapts as you move. With BT Loudspeaker Mode and FM playback without internet, this phone can turn into a portable speaker or mini concert stage wherever you are. All these features make the Nubia Music Pro more than just a phone. It's a lifestyle device for a new generation of creators who want their tech to match their energy, personality, and passion for music. So that's the unboxing and first look at the Nubia Music Pro. Here on APPSGADGET, I'll be testing it further in my full review, where I'll dive deeper into its cameras, performance, and especially its sound system. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow APPSGADGET for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching.
Pairing.